Cryptocurrency, such as Rndr, has experienced rapid growth in recent years due to its powerful capabilities and promising potential. Its value and expansion are expected to be exceptionally high. However, predicting the price of Rndr is more challenging compared to other asset classes, as it is heavily influenced by market factors. Nevertheless, we have attempted to estimate the future value and growth of Rndr. We anticipated that the price of Rndr, Rndr, would fluctuate, and indeed it did. Last month, Rndr did not experience any overall growth. Based on our Rndr price prediction from the previous month, we believed that Rndr, Rndr, would continue to rise in the upcoming months. The current value of Rndr is $432, but it is expected to potentially reach a peak of $930 in the near future. We anticipate a decrease of 14.13% in the price of Rndr at the beginning of February 2020. Considering the historical price fluctuations of Rndr, it is probable that the price will increase by approximately 11 to 15.29% by mid-February. Additionally, there is a possibility of Rndr experiencing a growth of 82.1% by the end of the month, given the current market conditions. Looking ahead to 2026, the price of Rndr could potentially reach a high of $13.76 or a low of $12.60. That being stated, $13.23 might be. The current value of Rndr has risen to $447, reflecting a $22.13 increase compared to its value 3 months ago. This is a growth of 9.71% as the market shows signs of improvement over the next 12 months. Rndr is projected to experience substantial growth. Rndr now has a perfect score of 100, indicating a strong upward trend. Rndr followers anticipate that its price will reach $84 by the end of 2023, based on recent activity in the last 24 hours. The cost of Rndr has increased by 7.99% following a thorough examination. The market for Rndr has experienced significant growth in the past year and is projected to reach a peak of $16.98 in the coming years, driven by its recent bullish trend. Investors in Rndr have enjoyed returns of over 2.07% on their investments in the past week. Our analysis of the fundamental indicators of Rndr suggests that a minor correction may occur in the next few days. The price of Rndr has increased by 7.99% in the past 24 hours and has shown consistent growth of 2.07% over the last week. Investors in Rndr are pleased with the return on their investment this week due to this rise. However, in the past 30 days, the price of Rndr has decreased by 3.73%, equivalent to $1,017,311.56. Previously valued at $464, Rndr is currently experiencing a downturn. On the positive side, the price of Rndr has risen by 9.71% in the last 90 days, going from $2.34 to $2.13.